Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert citation in Word. Okay, so I want to insert citation in this line. Okay, so here you will see, according to recent studies, regions that depends heavily on rainfall for irrigation experiencing the most adverse. So what you have to do, you have to just place the cursor right next to the sentence and click that and go to reference. Then here you will see citation option, insert citation. Then you can type the author name. Okay, then here you can type the title. Okay, now city name, if you want to mention, then enter city name. Publisher, okay, year, you can enter the year. Okay, after that you can just click on okay. So you will see like this you can enter citation, insert citation in Word. So if you like this video, please like video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.